everybody, I bet you are watching this video. Today we are going back in time to the birth of the kids and babies in the bird city. Let's travel back in time and see their birth. Let's do this. See you back in time, everybody. Woohoo! 1 year ago, I've laid an egg. Let's make it hatch. Oh, is it hatching? Yay, it's hatching! Oh, everybody, come on! Look at this! Look at this incredible moment! Let's see! Let's do it! Aww, it is so cute. I can tell he is a boy. Cuckoo, caca. Cuckoo, caca. Oh wait, look! There's a tornado coming! Oh no, everybody! Protect the baby! Yeah, I'm doing it. Me as well. Yeah. A few hours later. Ooh. 2 hours later. Huh? 3 hours later of yummy moments. A shark came towards baby Pingu. Watch the video to find out what will baby Pingu do. The shark hit himself on the doors of the box. The baby Pingu is saved. But there's one problem. How will she find her mother? I mean, how will he find his mother? Let's find out to see what he does. Oops, sorry guys, that was a mistake. Baby Pingu is not a girl, it's a boy. Well, let's continue with the babies and the kids, of course. Coco. Huh? Oh yeah. To be continued.